there, welcome back to Beauty Bee and to another edition of What's in the Box. This time, the victim is BoxyCharm. It looks like my box has already been the victim of perhaps Jack the Ripper or equivalent. Not sure quite what's going on there, but I subscribed to BoxyCharm just for 1 month. I decided I wanted the free gift with purchase. I knew that there were some things in the drop shop that I would like to purchase. So let me first show you what I purchased in the drop shop. I've had these for a few days and I've used all of them. So the first item is from Purelisse. This is the Matcha Green Tea Antioxidant Priming Moisturizer. I'm quite happy with this so far. It's a lotiony primer. Kind of thin. It smells pleasant. It does have a little bit of a green tea scent. And I find that this is quite a nice, I don't like wearing foundation, but I also don't like doing a complete skincare routine. So I feel like primer can sometimes allow me to fake that I have a little bit nicer skin than I actually do. It can help even things out, provide a little bit of hydration, etc. And I have liked everything I've tried from Purelisse. I think I have a blush, a cleanser, and a mask. So I was excited to try this, and so far I've really been liking it. I've only used it, I think, twice though. So the next item was a brush set. This is from Luxie. This is the Por la Noche set. It came with a blush brush, a concealer brush that I've just been using as an eyeshadow brush because I also don't use concealer, and a medium angled shading brush. And as you can see from the fact that they're dirty, I've used all three of them. I'm quite happy with the quality. I've had other Luxie brushes for a few months at this point, and they've held up quite well. I am excited to have these, and they're really cute. I like this. I wouldn't even say this is really quite a rose gold. It's a little bit deeper than a true rose gold ferrule with the white and orange handle. I think they're pretty cute. And then finally, we have an eyeliner from Persona. This is their 24-hour waterproof eye pencil. I mean, what is there really to say? It's a black eyeliner. It's a good one, but it's a black eyeliner. I didn't have one somehow, so I decided to grab one. And now let's get to the main event, the BoxyCharm box. So when I signed up, I received a free gift with sign up as well as $10 to their drop shop. So altogether, everything that I'm going to show you today came out to just a hair under $40. I think it came to like $40 it came to like $39.95 or something. So let's break into this. Let's start just with the thing that I see on the top. This is quite well wrapped, which is good because I think this is a glass bottle. Glad that I brought my scissors. I considered just slicing my box open earlier and not bringing my scissors with me, but it looks like a few different things are wrapped up. So, what is this? This is the Better Skin Company Eye Bright Now Anti-Puff Anti-Dark Circle Serum. So, this is the instructions on this are to use morning and evening, apply to clean skin, place 1 drop on your finger and apply gently under the eye area. Interesting. This is a big size for a product you're only going to use under your eyes. I feel like this will last ages and ages. I actually just opened an eye serum, which, what on earth? I'd never heard of an eye serum until a couple of weeks ago, and now I have 2 of them. But I will, I think, really enjoy this. I love the packaging. I think this little mandala print is really adorable. Not that that has any impact on how the product actually works, but I appreciate it. Next up, we have something from Item, which I think is Addison Rae's brand. I don't actually know who Addison Rae is, but I know that she has a brand, and I know that Ipsy was pushing it really hard a few months ago. So I think that's the sign that I am now an old lady, that I just have no idea who these people are. But this is their Lash Snack Lengthening Mascara. I have a mascara open right now, so I'm not going to mess with this, but I like the packaging on this. This is really pretty. I assume that Midnight Mood is the black shade and not blue. Yeah, I would think so. I don't know. You know what? As long as it's a decent mascara, and I hope this will be, I feel like this is a nice value adder because I don't want to have to buy mascara. Buying mascara separately, not in a kit, not in a subscription box, not as a gift with purchase, kind of stinks. I don't know why I hate it so much now. I was buying mascara for years and years, never had a problem with it, but now I cannot stand purchasing mascara. Oh, this is the free gift that I got for signing up. This is from Pharmacy. It is their Feeling Good Hyaluronic Acid Plumping Serum. Hopefully I cut that out because I struggled way too hard with this box, but this is the Feeling Good Hyaluronic Acid Serum. This is a 30 ml size, and I'm really interested. Ooh, I do like the kind of serum that comes in a pump. I just prefer that so much to a dropper. It has like not a great smell, but the smell is fine. There's what the consistency on that looks like. Ooh, it has kind of a gel consistency. I like that. Oh, the smell of that is a little weird. It's not bad. It's just not what I was expecting. It's not what I felt I smelled when I took that first whiff. But it does feel nice. I don't know. I will have to give it a go, actually use it, not just swatch it on my hand, see how it works out for me. The next product in my box is from Christophe Robin, and this is their Instant Volumizing Leave-In Mist. Cool. I am really bad at hair, clearly, but I do have pretty fine hair, and I can struggle to get some volume into it. Also just struggle to do anything with my hair, but I think this might work out for me. And Christophe Robin is a brand that I have used their scalp scrub from before, and I really enjoy that. I know that this is a quite expensive brand. I'm really pretty pleased to get that. I think that'll be cool. I think that's like one of the few hair products where I would actually be somewhat excited to get it. So let's see. The next item is also wrapped up. This is the Beauty Bakery palette in Sour You Doin'. I think that the Beauty Bakery stuff is kind of cute, but I've never purchased anything from the brand. So let's see what this looks like. Oh, it's so cute. It's a little lemonade palette. Adorable. I have no idea what this is. I've never heard of this before. Oh, okay. I'm not sure about this color scheme. This is very much not my set of colors, but I think there's quite a few individual shades in here that I could see myself using quite a bit. So I am going to swatch it and use it. So let's swatch the 3 shades at the top. The texture on these shades is quite nice, though they don't come off as super pigmented, which might actually work really well for me. Okay, now I need to remember where I put the serum. Okay, that's a little patchy, but it's also, I mean, a pinky red matte. That's pretty. If you've been here before, you know that these white with pink or purple iridescent or even blue iridescence are like my shades. Okay. You know, I could see people really disliking the quality on this, but I am kind of digging how soft these shades are. Dang, I wasn't feeling too inspired by this palette, but those two shades, those are gorgeous. I'm excited to give this a go now. Okay, so far, oh, I think I must have one more item in here. One sec, let me find it. Oh, yep, there it is. See it hidden at the bottom. And this is from Lucky Chick, and it is their liquid eyeshadow in Rose Quartz, which I don't think I have a pinky like shadow stick or anything like that. Oh, that's an interesting shape. It's got almost like a lipstick shape in there. Very strange. But here's what the applicator looks like. It's just like a paddle. That is not what I was expecting for some reason, but it's pretty. My hands are a mess. There's that blended out. That has a nice shine to it. Okay, cool. That would actually look really nice with what I'm wearing today. I knew that I should have waited to do my makeup until after I'd opened this box, but I didn't listen to myself. I feel like I'm seeing a little bit of patchiness on my wrist, but that's also over the serum and it's over a much larger area than it would be on my lid, so I don't put a whole lot of weight into that. What did I get for $40? I have the Christophe Robin Mist, the Beauty Bakery palette, which I was not super thrilled when I first saw, but now that I've swatched it out, I'm a lot more interested in. The liquid eyeshadow, the primer, 2 serums, one for eyes, one for face, a mascara, a pencil eyeliner, and 3 brushes. So I think that for me, the value was definitely here. I don't think that the value would have been here for me if I had been a regular subscriber. That is, if I had to take out the pharmacy serum as well as spend an extra $10. So bringing my total up to $50, I think that would have been a little bit borderline. Maybe I would have gone for it, but I don't think I would have. I think that BoxyCharm, with the number of full-size products that you get, probably doesn't make a whole lot of sense for a lot of people who already have quite a bit of makeup to receive regularly. This is the kind of box that I could see myself signing up for once every 3 or 4 months, saying that I really preferred skincare and just hoping to get some fun things to try, getting that $10 code from the drop shop, and just overall, you know, picking up a couple of fun things and some necessities at the same time. But I don't see myself staying subscribed. In fact, I've already unsubbed. I won't be receiving the May box. This is a very late April unboxing, if I didn't say that earlier. So there's my first impressions on my BoxyCharm April 2022 box. If you get BoxyCharm, or if you have gotten BoxyCharm in the past, I would be really interested to hear your experiences. I don't know that I've really heard too much from people who actually subscribe to BoxyCharm rather than influencers who were getting it for free / purchasing it, but just doing it to have sort of a filler video every month. I'd be really interested to know what more average consumers thought of this box. So, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. Please consider liking and subscribing if you did. And I really hope that I will see you all in the next video. Bye!